All right, drag and drop has two parts, draggable items and drop zones. When you are doing draggable items, you need to decide if you are doing text boxes or pictures. For this example, we're going to go with pictures. So we're going to click on multi-pick. All right, and we're going to make this fit our space a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and just double click and get some objects to go in here. Okay. And let's see what else we have. And let's do this. And actually, let's make them all different. So start out simple. Change that just so we have one red object. Okay. So we're going to make each of these items draggable. So I'm just going to click the item and click draggable. And doesn't matter if it's right or wrong. We just want them all to be draggable. Okay. I'm going to click on the outer edge and come down to containers. And let's change that to 4. I'll just make it a little bit easier to work with, a little bit bigger images. There we go. Nice and neat. All right. Here we go. So now I'm going to make my drop zones. So because I already have this template, I'm going to click on text and I'm going to put a nice clear overlay over the spot where I want them to drag the objects. Okay. And I'm going to make these the red objects. And let's click on the outer edge and duplicate. And we'll go over here and this can be the green objects. All right. Okay, so now to make them drop zones, you click on the area and hit drop zone. Okay, now I want to make my correct answers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here and I'm going to wire that to red. Click on here and wire that to green. These are wrong, we just ignore them. So let's go to preview and check that out. So now I'm going to drag my correct answers here and leave that one. We'll leave one. Maybe I'll leave that one down there for now.
Whoops!
Okay, so it marked it. It's showing you that that one's right, that one's right. It kicked that one out because it's wrong. It didn't advance the slide because I have to actually go ahead and acknowledge the fact that those are the right answers, red and green. So let's try that again. Let's see. Okay, so if I do it correct on the first try, it'll look like that. And let's go back and now I want to change it so that I have more than one red object. So let's change that to make that an apple. Okay, so let's click on that and wire it over here. Now we have to decide how many red objects do we want to be marked correct. In this example, I'd like both red objects to be in the correct spot. So if I click on red, you can see there's 2 objects listed. If I click on green, there's only 1. Go back to red. It's telling me at least 1. I don't want at least 1. I would like all of them. I want all of these to go in there. So let's click preview. Now to be marked correct, we're going to have both red objects in there.
Whoops!
Okay. So I have to have both red objects in there to mark it correct. Okay. So drag and drop's a lot of fun. It's really that simple. You just need your draggable objects and your drop zones. If you make a mistake on something, you can click on it and click on that little X and it will take away the draggable part, or you can click up here and click and get rid of the wiring. So sometimes I'll do that if I want to start over. But it's really simple. All right, thank you.